Hey traders, I'm gonna bring you a
So
quick
that's it. I just
video of how we traded Lily, LLY, and MDT today. If you look at it, these are all I had this morning as far as, and I'm gonna save you some morning stuff that I cover with the traders, so I'm gonna get right to it. Otherwise, you'll be here for a minute because this is an hour long video because we do this live every morning. So I record this. So I'm going to bring you a more of a condensed version and kind of walk you through the thought process of the trade. So let's start with Lily and then we'll get into the MDT trade. So here we go.
just I scalped the AAL a little bit. Um,
Let me show you how I scalped the AAL, and I believe it was right at the open. I want to show you guys how I scalped it and then covered it. Uh,
so
so it's about to be
um,
happen right now.
so I don't think we're gonna have much of action in the market. I do like this. I do like the Lily. So it's gonna be probably um, it is going. It, but let's see what happens. I do like this Lily though, but it's right into this resistance. Um, hasn't really opened yet. Um,
So right here, I'm gonna
This
scalp it
could
real
be a good
quick.
short right here. 1680 by 17. I'm gonna scalp this. I'm watching this level too. I'm not even watching the chart right here. I am going to short it.
So I shorted right here, and then we
Um,
ended up covering it where I showed you right around
Stop at
1645.
1690, but quick
So I'm gonna
scalp,
stop
nothing
here
much.
and take you guys direct to how we traded LLY. So that was AL
Nice.
quick. So this is just showing how we covered it. So nice. It was it like 30, 40, 30, 35 cents move. I mean, it was like a couple
GMTX, I
$300
like.
trade. So not too bad. GMTX that we like.
Lily's not bad.
Sent an order. This was never triggered today. So this was never
Lily's
triggered.
not bad here.
So right here,
The market's coming in.
we're gonna get
Look
into
at Myrna.
Lily here in a little bit.
BNTX, these are all getting bought, and I
And I
had them on
just
my
sent an
short list.
alert for Lily
All
to
of
the
them are getting
team.
bought.
And you look at
MDT
it, look at
may be lower here,
MDT short
but
right
I
here.
don't know. I'm not
If
sure.
you guys can
MDT,
see
we
it.
can play. We can do MDT
And
here. It's
Lily's right
sitting
here,
right at support,
259
but
by
the setup
257.
is
So
too good not to play.
both of them, I
And
just sent the alert. This
it
one
just
is
went.
this
It's
one
right
is
here.
gonna this
105,
So we want to get into
105 by
105.
106, and
My
it
order
just
did not
dropped
trigger,
without me.
so
But if you played it,
I
nice.
left it here
I
so
couldn't.
for it to come back and get
I
me.
wasn't fast enough. But I
So
might just redo. I might do it. It'll pop here at 105. I want a short.
so you hear me in the background walking the traders through that how I want to trade this. I have a certain price in mind, and I am willing to pay that price for this trade. So that is what's happening at the moment, and it's gonna happen. It's gonna
Come
trigger,
on,
and I'll
105. I'll do it.
so I'm really stickler for the price at times. So let's go a little bit more, and in the meantime, we're getting into this Lily.
So I don't have to watch it. I just sent my orders.
So just got in MDT a little bit, and then put in the orders as I was
There
walking
we
through.
go.
So
One more order
it's
to fill.
we're gonna get fill we're gonna get full in MDT, and I'll walk you
And
guys through
GMTX is
GMTX.
about
GMTX is not, it didn't
Lily.
never trigger. So here's Lily, and
All
this
right.
is where we're watching Lily. And
I
as you
am
saw my
in
alert,
MDT. Let's see what happens here.
so MDT is fully triggered now. We're fully in this trade. Stop the high of the day. It's right here, MDT
Nvidia is
105 by
strong. Nvidia
106.
is popping right out. Right. Tesla is strong too.
Um,
That's what's making.
and let's take you guys. Costco was really good today. So MDT, I'm gonna add a little bit more to MDT here in a little bit, and you guys will see that. But
It's fine.
there we go, Lily. So this is where the Lily trade is really gonna come to fruition here. And you're going to see how this trade will trigger here at 259.
Other than
You
that,
see that
I got
259.
nothing
I'm
here.
already triggered at 259.
Um,
And
seriously,
I'm
I
gonna.
think I'm gonna add it at 260.
So there we
Lily.
go.
Oh, just went fine. I like that. I'm a little bit slow today. I don't know. Everybody was. My son's sick. Um,
So I am about to add. So remember that 260 level that I talked about? I am about to
uh,
add it right here.
all right.
And
I want Lily at 260. Add.
so now I'm adding to Lily at 260.
Um, GMTX cancel
And it does trigger. Uh,
80.
MDT is
All
doing
right. So we
fine.
got Lily popping
And you see
at
right
the high of
here,
the day.
you see here the MDT.
Did.
What's going on with
Let me
MDT?
show you. It'll be more profound here.
I'm
Why I'm
adding a
going
little
to
bit more.
85. I'm going right here. That was the
I'm
last
also
order
showing that
printed.
if we
There are
add
no orders
here,
printed
we're gonna
here.
get very likely
So
we're gonna
I
get
am
triggered.
going to
But if we don't
put an
put an
order
order
here. See
here,
that? That's
it's gonna
really
have
the
some
low of the day,
slippage. But
104.67,
there's no
right?
orders.
That's a low. But there
Very
are no orders, which means you put in here orders. There's very little chance that it's going to get triggered.
so let's see.
Oh shit, I canceled my order.
I was seriously not. It was all over the place. But
All
there you
right.
go. So that's that. And then let's go back to MDT here.
264.
I mean
I
Lily.
wanted 264.
I'm looking for 264 to be target here on Lily. I'll mute this for a little bit so you guys can see. And then it 264 hits. Look at the 263, 263.90, and I took profit. So it was about $800 trade here. Right into 800 and something, a little bit more than that, and I'll show you what it looks like. So the Lily trade was $814. MDT trade was 740, and MDT took a while for it to materialize. And I'll show you where we're gonna end this. So this is MDT, and it's working fine. We ended up adding a little bit more piece under 104.50 at one point. If I unmute this, you'll see me talking about, hey, let's move this to 105.50 and then raise the stop. I mean, 105.50, raise the stop to 105, and I think in somewhere here you'll see I'm raising the stop, but worked out. This trade worked out just perfect, absolutely perfect. Then I took the traders on the weekly chart, walked them through what's going on here, and then this is right here. I was talking to the trader. I said if there's something that's setting up again, it's Lily. And the cost. So right, I'm not sure. I would have to continue to go in this video, and I don't want to bore anyone. But MDT is working just fine here. So with that said, I just wanted to bring you two couple of trades and kind of the rationale behind it. Both trades were fantastic trades, and we played it to perfection. Hope you enjoy this and learn something and how to play gaps. If you like it, give it a like. If you don't like it, I hope you enjoyed the action. Thanks.